What is user data access underscore 14D4FE service, and how can I get rid of it? I see a strange service in my Windows 10 system called user data access underscore 14D4FE, with internal service name userdatask underscore 14D4FE. The path to executable is c:\windows /system32 /coast.exec unstack group. I believe it has something to do with Windows Store applications. Can I stop it? Unregister it? What does it do? Its description says, provides apps access to structured user data, including contact info, calendars, messages, and other content. If you stop or disable this service, apps that use this data might not work correctly. I have stopped it and do not see anything not working. I assume it must be affecting something to do with Windows Store. I am unable to change the startup type from manual. I cannot disable or delete it, even using the command line. Is there any way to get rid of this service completely in Windows 10?
This is the User Data Access, userdatask service which allows apps access user data, including contact info, calendars, messages, and other content. Apps need such a service because apps run in a sandbox and can't access the data the way like desktop applications would do it. Leave it running and ignore it. Sooner or later you'll run into issues when you stop the service.
Description of that services: userdataccessors.dll.mui provides apps access to structured user data, including contact info, calendars, messages, and other content. If you stop or disable the service, apps that use this data might not work correctly. If you really want to delete that service, type this command in command prompt with administrator. Reg delete /local_machine /system /current control set /services /userdatask/f. It is highly recommended not to mess up with registry and services.
See my reply here. Strange, similar services running on my PC, are they viruses? Duplicate services with names such as _xxxx are per user services introduced in Windows 1709. They can only be disabled via the registry.
If you wish to go to the channel, please subscribe.